They thought the hardest part was already behind them. Wrong. They'd survived Yakuza thugs at an Oklahoma house. They'd dodged surveillance, cracked a conspiracy, and hadn't killed each other yet, which, for these two, might be the biggest miracle of all. But now, flying over a busy Hawaiian freeway, a helicopter full of armed men with one job: take the flash drive. Leave no witnesses. The chopper drops low. Doors open. Guns out. James, ice-cold Navy SEAL, sizes up the threat in seconds. Johnny, reckless, fearless, and allergic to good plans, is already climbing out of the moving vehicle. What follows is the kind of chaos that two massive, furious half-brothers were built for. They fight off wave after wave of shooters while the freeway erupts around them, civilian cars swerving, horns blaring, bullets sparking off the asphalt. James is tactical. Every move calculated. Johnny is pure fury. Every hit lands like a freight train. For the first time in 10 years, they're not fighting each other. They're fighting together. And it shows. The helicopter doesn't survive. Neither does anyone on it. The brothers stand on the highway, breathing hard, bleeding a little, grinning just a bit, holding the one piece of evidence that can bring down a governor. The conspiracy just got personal. And these two just became the most dangerous thing in Hawaii. Drop a comment, what's your favorite action sequence from The Wrecking Crew? Let's settle this.